Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel. And thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Who is coming towards Scorpio? And what is going on with Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? I would like to remind you guys to please use your own discernment. It's because I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. Let me see your possible energies in this reading. Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. If it is not your energy, just leave it. Take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? Your current energy in this reading is the Knight of Swords. And the challenge is the Knight of Wands. Wow. Too many knights here. The spiritual lesson is the Moon. We also have the Nine of Cups as the past situation. The present is the Three of Wands. And the future is the Five of Wands. We also have the Ten of Wands as your attitude. The Four of Cups is the outside influence. The Two of Cups is the hopes and fears. And the outcome is the Five of Wands. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your readings for today, guys. If this is not your energy, just leave it. Because there are millions of Scorpios all over the world. And for some of you, it could not be your readings. Because this is not for all Scorpios. This is a timeless and general energy reading. Okay? The first foundation of your reading, your current situation, is the Knight of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Or you have an air sign in your birth chart. Or you are dealing with a person who has an air sign in their birth chart. I feel like for most of you, this is your energy. You are seizing the day. You take an action with these new ideas because you believe that you have a potential to take an action. You want to have an abrupt decision because you believe that it will not come again. And that's why you are abruptly taking an action with these new ideas. It could also be that the universe advises you here to think first before you act, especially when this is related to a gossips or rumors. You don't need to take an action immediately. You need to analyze first if these rumors or gossips are correct. You need to be very strategic in the scenario. Others of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of an Aquarius. Could also be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Not necessary. I feel like this person wants to approach you. It could also be that this person wants to confront you, to ask something, and there will be a hurtful words here will be happen. And for some of you guys, it could also be that this person is an immature, reckless, and impulsive person. Could be that this is in your family. Could also be that this is in your workplace. Could also be in your friend circle. Could also be your ex or in the community. I don't know who is this person in your life. Others of you, this is your energy. You take an action to a certain ideas because you want to seize the day. Yeah. And it's not bad to seize the day. You need to think first before you act. That is the advice from the universe I heard. From the spirits, I heard that the spirits said, you need to be skeptical, analytical, logical, and strategical in this scenario. Because sometimes when you are taking an action to a certain ideas or a certain things without thinking, without analyzing, it may lead you to sometimes troubles or conflict. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Knight of Wands. You look, two knights. Two person wants to approach you. One is the air sign and the other one is the fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. And this is your challenge. For some of you, it could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But the Knight of Wands is embodied the energy of a Sagittarius. Could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like for some of you, this is your energy. You are very energetic and you have a passion and desire in your heart to take an action with this new creative spark. It could also be this is a new ideas or a new passion and desire. And you are jumping off to this certain creative spark because you believe that you can create these new ideas. It's because you have passion and desire in your heart. It could also be that you are accepting the challenge. You are very energetic. You are, what do you call this, adventurous. And you want to take an action with this creative spark and new ideas because you want to work and align with your passion. Could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. And this person wants to approach you, to come towards you. This person has a strong attraction and desire towards you. This is a young person. It could also be that this is an adult but having an immature mind or immature aura. I don't know who is this person in your life. If this is your ex, this person never changed. This person is the same person before, in and out of your life. This person wants to ask you, hey, hello Scorpio, how are you? I'm back. If this is your ex, but this person is the same before. This is non-committal. This person wants to have only an adventure, a one-night stand, an infatuation, and a fling. This is not a serious person. If this is a new person, it's just the same. This person is non-committal. This is not a real deal. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And this is your challenge. Because this is like a warning of red flags. Because somebody here wants to approach you, but this person is not a real deal. This is not serious. This is only a fling, an infatuation, a one-night stand, or an adventure. For some of you, it could also be that this is your energy. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And this is the challenge. And we have here, the spiritual lesson in this reading is the moon. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces or a Cancer. Or you have a Pisces or Cancer in your birth chart. I don't know. It could also be other sign you are dealing with. I feel like somebody here could be keeping secrets on you. Somebody here is doing shady. Somebody here is doing something in the dark. It could also be that this person is keeping secrets on you, or there is a secrets being revealed here. For some of you guys, this is also like a misconception because there is vagueness in this scenario. There is no clarity. It could also be that this person is insecure or having fear towards on you because there is no clarity here. You look, this is the moon. The universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to pay attention to your dreams and the synchronicities. It's because I feel like somebody who is keeping secrets, doing shady behind the scenes. It could also be that there is a secrets here being exposed. Or for some of you, the secrets was already exposed. I don't know what is this all about. Because this is your spiritual lessons. Maybe for some of you, you are ignoring your intuition. That's why this is a spiritual lessons in this reading. And it could also be that for some of you, you are having fears. Could also be an anxiety, misconception, vagueness with this scenario, with this situationship. And the lesson here is to follow your intuition, to pay attention to your dreams and the synchronicities. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the 9 of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Or you have a Pisces in your birth chart for some of you. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. I feel like your wish is being granted here. Whatever you are manifesting or you are wishing for, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, there is a wish fulfillment here. Congratulations in advance. Others of you, it could also be that this person is aiming you and viewed you as their wish fulfillment. This person could be a Pisces, could also be other sign. This person could be a lazy person and always drinking. Could also be that for most of you, this is your energy. You are feeling contented of what you have in your life. It could also be that this person viewed you as or believed that you are living in a lavish or hedonistic way of life. Could be a Pisces. Could also be a group of people. Could also be any other sign. But for some of you guys, you have a wish fulfillment here. So take only what fits in your story and congratulations in advance. This is the past scenario. This is related to your wish and it is being granted. It could also be that this person is now drinking because this person is daydreaming about you. Could be a Pisces. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the future, sorry, the present energy is the Three of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here wants to collaborate with you. This is at least a minimum of 3 people. This group viewed you as having a potential to become a successful person, and that's why they want to collaborate with your skills, with your talents, with your knowledge, with your creativity, an investment or a new business venture. And there is a success and collaboration here. It could also be that you are co-collaborating with the universe and you are going to recognize here, and there is also success. So congratulations in advance. For some of you, maybe somebody wants to collaborate with you, but there is a third party. Could also be a family or a friend. This is not related to third party with love life. This is a family or a friend, third party. It could also be that this person is a Capricorn and this person wants to collaborate with you. This person could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. Take only what fits in your story. But remember, there is a success here in collaborating and you are also being recognized. And we have here the Five of Wheels. This is the future energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here is feeling not enough. This person could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex, your partner, in the community. Somebody here is feeling not enough. It could also be that this is your energy. You have a negative thoughts in your surroundings. You are feeling not enough. Or it could also be that this is your energy. You have an internal struggle. It's because there are lots of people who are only taking you for granted in the past. And because of that, you left with this group of people. And this group of people now are feeling abandoned by you. Feeling left out in the cold by you. It's because in the past, I feel like for most of you, you are supporting with this group of people. Or this person in the past includes financial support or any other kind of support. And you are expecting that this person or group of people will did it to you the same. You are supporting them. But the truth is that they left you out in the cold in times of your struggles. And that's why you realize to disengage your energy to this group of people. And now they are feeling left out in the cold. They are feeling abandoned by you. Because you are no longer engaging your energy to them. Especially you are no longer supporting them with financial matters. Could be a Taurus. Could also be a group of people. I feel like for some of you, this is your lover. It could also be that this person is, you outshine them because you have a creativity. You're co-collaborating with the universe and there is a success and recognition here. And aside from that, your wish is being granted. Or for some of you, your wish are already granted. And aside from that, you have a passion and desire to create a new ideas or a new creativity. And that's why this person is feeling you, that you outshine them. For some of you guys, it could also be that this is your feelings. You feel that you are always struggling, you against the world. Because I feel like there are people in your life. Actually, this is related to the past, yeah. But this reading is as a future energy. Because somebody here is feeling left out in the cold. This person is feeling you outshine them. I feel like in the past, this group of people want to see you down, that you have no car, you have no money, you have no job, you have no house, you have nothing. And this person or group of people want only to suck your money. They only want your money. They never loves you because they want to see you like a beggar on the street. This is the Five of Pentacles. They want to see you nothing, that you landed on the street, that you are sick, or you are like they are praying for your downfall. Whatever the reason behind, it's because majority of these people, they are envy and jealous of your aura, of your energy, because this person or group of people, they want only to take everything from you. This is the Five of Pentacles, to end up you like nothing. Like, for instance, like a vampires. The vampires will suck your blood and they will left you cold This is feeling left out in the cold. And these are the people in the past who treated you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For most of them, they are in your family. Yeah. Of course, there are also people in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. But majority is in your family. They want to leave you like you are the victims of the vampires. They will, somebody suck your blood and they will leave you cold and dead. And these are the intentions of these people in the past towards on you. And now, your wish is being fulfilled. And you are no longer supporting them. And this group of people are feeling left out in the cold, feeling abandoned by you. Because they are the one in the past who abandoned you. And now, backfires. Yeah. Because all what they want from you is your money, your resources. They never loves you. Because if they loves you, they never did this to you, that they will suck everything from you, your money and everything. That you will end up like a beggar on the street. No food, no money, no house, everything. Can you imagine? And now, you have a wish fulfillment. And you are no longer dealing with them anymore. Because you are tired and enough. You detach your energy. And whatever they did to you in the past, they taste their own medicines. Could be that you are dealing with a Taurus or a group of people. And now they're feeling left out in the cold by you. If this is your energy, that you are feeling left alone, the universe advises you to reach out. Because the truth is you are not alone. You are guided, and protected with your guardian angels and your divine ancestors. All you have to do is to reach out. You cannot see them, but you can feel them. You are not alone, and you are not, what do you call this? If you feel that you are not enough, you are enough, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Everything happens for a reason, and trust the process of the divine universe in a divine timing. Everything will align to you in a divine timing. This is only a temporary scenario in your life. Maybe you have a financial loss. I don't know. Maybe there are lots of people who are betraying you with money. And you have a financial loss. And this is only a temporary scenario in your life. It won't last longer. You need to eradicate these negative thoughts of being poor, or being not enough. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here, your attitude is the 10 of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But the 10 of Wands is normally a Sagittarius, or you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. For some of you, I feel like this is your energy. You are no longer dealing with the burdens and the problems of other people. Yeah. Yeah, look. You put down the heavy weight on your shoulder, and this is the previous card. And now this group of people are feeling left out in the cold by you, especially related to financial matters, because you are no longer supporting them anymore. This is not your responsibility to support the people, to uplift the people. You have your own burdens as well, and you realize that you need to put down the heavy weight on your shoulders, where people are letting you to carry their own responsibilities and obligations on you. For some of you guys, maybe you are a breadwinner in your family, and now you put down the heavy weight on your shoulders. You don't want to sin or to support with this person or group of people, especially with the financial matters. And these are their feelings now. They are feeling left out in the cold and abandoned by you, because as I have told you, they never loves you. They only want to suck your blood like a vampires, and they will leave you cold and dead. And now, I never see all people. I say a minimum of 5, because this is the 5 of Pentacles. And now you manage to put down the heavy weight of your shoulders. You will not carry their own responsibilities and obligations, because it's not your responsibility to carry their own problems, their own obligations and responsibilities with their own lives. You are very tired. It could also be that this is related in your workplace. You are supporting with these co-workers in the past. You are very generous and compassionate to them. You are very kind. You always help their works, and the times of your struggles, they are not helping you. They are laughing on you. And now you manage to close the cycle. You end up, for some of you guys, you already resigned in this workplace. Yeah, because I feel like in the past you worked too hard. It could also be that your ex-boss is included in this scenario. They are conniving. They giving you so much work, and the truth is that some of these co-workers are having a higher salary than you, or you have the same salary, but you are doing lots of work in the workplace, if this is related in the workplace. And now you manage to put down the heavy weight on your shoulders. Yeah, because in the past, for some of them, I heard that they are laughing in front of you. You look, Scorpio, so stupid, so crazy, so idiot. She's working or he's working like an idiot, and his or her salary is not so much. And for some of these people, or your boss, your ex-boss, also never promoted you, never give you a higher salary. They're just only taking you for granted because of your kindness, your generosity, and your compassion towards with these people. And aside from that, you are loyal in your workplace, and that's why this group of people let you carry all the hard works. The Scorpio is here. It's okay. We have to sit and drink coffee and leave all the works to Scorpio because she is or he is so loyal. And yeah, and I feel like your ex-boss are also conniving. They are not increasing your salary. They are not promoting you even if you are capable, because they are intimidated with your aura. They are intimidated with your loyalty in the workplace, with your confidence in the workplace, and that's why they are scared. They are scared that you will succeed more than them, and these are the causes of jealousy and envy in the workplace. Yeah, and now you manage to put down the heavyweight in your shoulder. Goodbye. And that's why they are feeling left out in the cold. You look, they are feeling not enough because you outshine them as well. And I feel like the universe will give you a payoff with your hard work, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, in other ways. So rest assured that it will come in a divine timing. Nevertheless, you manage to put the heavyweight on your shoulder. You are no longer carrying the baggage of other people. Just like my title in the other reading, not your monkey, not your circus. You put down the heavyweight on your shoulder. Enough is enough. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And this is your outside influence in this reading is the Four of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer. You have a Cancer in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign or a group of people. I feel like somebody here missed the opportunity to have you in their lives. It could also be that this person is still clinging on your energy. This person couldn't let you go. Could be a Cancer. This person could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Somebody here missed the opportunity to have you in their lives. It could also be this is related to love and partnership. And this person now is still living in the old energy. They couldn't let you go. If this is your energy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, the universe advises you to turn around. You still have 3 cups remain. You don't have to stay in a negative feelings, because this is only a temporary scenario in your life, and it won't last longer either. You are advised to turn around. You don't have to cry over a spilled milk. It is wasted and cannot be regained. Take only what fits in your story, okay? I feel like for some of you, this is not your energy. This is the energy of the person you are dealing with. They are feeling rejected by you. They are feeling rejected because you are no longer accepting their offer. They missed the opportunity to have you in their lives. Could be a Cancer, could also be other sign. A fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Not necessary. And we have here the Two of Cups. This is your hopes and fears in this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer or a fellow water sign. Double confirmation. You look, the Four of Cups is embodied the energy of a Cancer. Or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Could also be other water sign. Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, or any other sign. I feel like you are going to meet this person. Both of you meet each other, eye to eye, face to face. And this meeting could be on Cancer season, and Monday is significant day of this meeting. And for some of you guys, you are both divinely guided. Could be that this is your soulmate. A soulmate is not necessarily a lover. It could also be a friend or a family or a lover. And I feel like both of you are having the same chemistry. You are divinely guided in this meeting. You have sent yourself to the other person, and this person sent themselves on you. This is like a twin. The feelings of you have seen your person to other person, and this person is the same feelings with you. A duality here. Yeah. This meeting could lead into a platonic and a romantic relationship. It could also be a business partnership. Because the soulmate is not necessarily a lover. It could be a friend, a family, or a lover. Take only what fits in your story. And this person, both of you supported one another. This person having a feelings for you. And you as well to this person. Because there is duality here. Could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. This is your hopes and fears, because as Scorpio have a trust and loyalty issues. And that is your hopes and fears. That you hope that somebody will love you the way you love them, but you are scared that this person is not loyal to you. This person cannot be trusted, something like that. And that's why this is the hopes and fears in this reading. And the outcome is the Five of Wands. You see, somebody will offer you, could be a love offerings. Yeah. And this person viewed you that you have lots of competition, lots of rivalry, because this is the previous card. Could also be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, or a Leo. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be a group of people. Could also be any other sign. I feel like for some of you, you have an internal struggle. It could also be that this is the group of people who challenge you. My beautiful souls, Scorpio. There are lots of people who are competing on your attention, or this group of people are jealous on you and they are competing on you. Could be in the workplace. Could also be that this group of people wants to engage you in a drama and in conflict. For some of you guys, you manage to defend yourself. You don't want to argue with this group of people because you learn to defend yourself. And I feel like this group of people are jealous and competing on you. If this is related to your work, you have lots of competition and rivalry, and you learn to defend yourself. I don't know what is the nature of your job. For some of you, these are the challenges in your life. Or it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Leo put you in a competition, drama and conflict, or this group of people. For instance, this person who wants to offer you a cup of love. It could also be that this person viewed you that you have lots of people who are competing on your attention. I don't know. Where is your story here? Take only what fits in your story, okay? And Clarify me, please, the moon in this reading. Why the moon in this reading, please? Tell me more about the moon in this reading. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, moon, rising, and Venus. The moon is clarified as Steinbock, die Schiffen. This is a German language astro cards that means Steinbock is a Capricorn, the lady boss. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either a Capricorn or a Pisces. It could also be that this person is doing shady behind your back. This person is doing something in the dark. It could also be that this person is, what do you call this, keeping secrets on you. Or there is a secrets are being revealed with this person. Could be a Pisces or a Capricorn. Could also be that this person is your ex-lady boss. Because, not necessarily a Capricorn, because it was stated here, the Schiffen is a lady boss. Yeah. Could be that this person, because this is the clarification of the moon. Could be that this person is a Pisces and your ex-lady boss. And this person is doing something in the dark. This person is keeping secrets towards on you. Could also be that this person having a misconception between you and them. This person could now having an anxiety, or this person is having fears on you, or this person is, what do you call this, having fears and insecure on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because you outshine them. You look, the Five of Pentacles. Either you are dealing with your ex-lady boss who embody the energy of a Pisces or Capricorn, or the other people in your life. Could be in your family, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. And this person, either Pisces or Capricorn, having an insecurities on you because there is vagueness here. Could also be a misconception, or this person keeping secrets, or there is a secret here being exposed with this person. Yeah, I don't know, because you outshine them, because in the past they feel that you are nothing. They never value your worth. They think that Scorpio is gullible, Scorpio is stupid, Scorpio couldn't create anything, something like this, something like that. They misunderstood you, they misjudge you. They never believe that you can create something, that you can do better than them. And that's why they are feeling insecure. Or maybe they are keeping secrets on you. And now the secrets is being exposed. Maybe this is the lies and deception. Either you are dealing with Pisces or a Capricorn. Take only what fits in your story. You outshine them because you have your wish come true. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Five of Wands in this reading. Why the Five of Wands here? Please tell me more about the Five of Wands in this reading. The Five of Wands is clarified as, the Five of Wands is clarified as the Mars. The Mars is the ruling planet of either an Aries or a fellow Scorpio. Maybe you are dealing with an Aries or a fellow Scorpio. Look, this is the clarification of the Five of Wands. And Five of Wands is embodied the energy of a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Maybe you are dealing with either an Aries or a fellow Scorpio. The other Scorpio who is a low vibes. I feel like this is competition and rivalry. Could also be that this person is the cause of your challenges. Could also be that this person wants to engage you in drama and competition. Because this person, majority, they are jealous of your aura. They are jealous of your energy. Your spirits irritates their demons. Majority of these people are jealous and haters. And that's why they want you to put or to engage in drama and conflict. Could be an Aries or a fellow Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, Why the Four of Cups in this reading? Tell me more about the Four of Cups, sir, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. The Four of Cups is clarified as Vidar, the Kemper-Rishi. This is a German language astro cards, which means Aries, the survivor, the fighter. And this is the clarification of the Four of Cups. Either you are dealing with a Cancer or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, and or Aries. And I feel like this person is, fighting on you. You look competition. They are competing on you because they are jealous and envy. They couldn't stand your energy. That's why they put you in a drama and conflict, because they want to harvest your energy. They want you to engage with this competition, but I'm sorry, you are defending yourself. I'm sorry, cross watchers. Scorpio are just defending themselves. You don't want to fight, you are only defending yourself. For some of them, guys, they put you in a competition. They are competing on you. Or it could also be that this person are the cause of your struggles. Either you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius in this scenario. A water sign, Cancer, and an Aries. Double confirmation. You look, because the Mars is also embodied the energy of Aries and our fellow Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? This person engaged you in a fighting. You look, the Kemper-Rishi is the fighter, the survivor. It could also be that this person viewed you as a fighter or a survivor. Take only what fits in your story. But somebody has missed the opportunity. Somebody has still clinging in your energy. Somebody has feeling rejected by you. Could be an Aries or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Ten of Wands here. Why the Ten of Wands, sir? Please tell me more about the Ten of Wands. It's clarified as the opposition, Spannung and Gegensätze. This is a German language astro cards, which means tension and opposition. This is the clarification of the Ten of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius or a group of people, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. And this group of people are the cause of the tension and opposing opinions, the conflict, because of somebody here or this group of people are opposing opinions on you. There is conflict happen here in this scenario, and that's why you are very tired. You manage to put down the heavy weight on your shoulder, because this is not your responsibility and obligation. And that's why you close this cycle. Could be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, and or you have conflict with this group of people that cause too much tension. But you don't care anymore because you put closure in this scenario. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please. Why the Five of Pentacles in this reading? Why the Five of Pentacles, sir? Please tell me more about the Five of Pentacles in this reading. The Five of Pentacles is clarified as Quadrat, Herausforderung, and Disharmony. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus or a group of people. Could also be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. And I feel like you experience lots of disharmony in this relationship. Yeah. You look here, lots of opposing opinions. You look, lots of tension and opposing opinions. It could also be that you have experienced lots of disharmony in this relationship with this person. Could also be 4 people, because this is quadrat. You look, or more than 4. This is the clarification of the Five of Pentacles. And I feel like you outshine them because you have a wish fulfillment. And in the past, They prayed for your downfall. They never loves you. They only want to suck something from you. Your energy, your resources, or your time. They left you out in the cold when you are struggling. And you also left them in the cold when you are harvesting the fruits of your labor, your success. And now, whatever they did to you, it backfires. They taste their own medicines. They are now feeling left out in the cold and abandoned by you. And you outshine them. There are lots of disharmony in this relationship. Could be that you are dealing with a Taurus or a group of people. An earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Take only what fits in your story and clarify me, please. Why the Two of Cups here? Why the Two of Cups in this reading, please? The Two of Cups is clarified as the 5th house. This is happiness and playfulness. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo on your birth chart. It could also be that this person viewed you as the sun. Yeah. Because the 5 houses embody the energy of a Leo. Could be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, or a Leo. It could also be that this person wants to heal the grudges between you and them. And this person viewed you as the sun. This person wants to have pleasure with you, playfulness, and this person wants to patch up the relationship between you and them. Maybe you have a disagreement, a misunderstanding with this person. Take only what fits in your story. Either you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, or a Leo. Take only what fits in your story and clarify me, please, the Knight of Swords in this reading. The Knight of Swords is clarified as Trigon, Unterstützung, and inspiration. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. And I feel like this person needs your support for some of you. Or this person needs, what do you call this? Or this person inspired by you. Unterstützung is support. Inspirationen is inspiration. It could also be that you give this person an inspiration in as a support. This inspiration feel that you supported them. Could be an Aquarius. Could also be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Yeah. And this is the clarification. Take only what fits in your story. And that ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Until the next time, thanks for joining me here. I love you all. Bye.